Hello, it is Miss Hurst and Mrs. Goodwin here, and we are going to be showing you how to make butter. There is one single ingredient, and that is double cream. It does have to be double cream. You cannot use single cream, whipping cream or Elmley, as Elmley is a cream alternative made from buttermilk and vegetable oil, whereas double cream is just milk and there's enough fat in there that we can make butter.
The equipment you will need is a spatula, 2 mixing bowls, a sieve and an electric whisk. You can do it with a handheld balloon whisk, but it will take you a very, very long time.
One tub that we have here is 300 millilitres, so we are going to use half of that, so 150 millilitres, and we're simply just going to pour that into a bowl. And the next step, we're going to start to whisk. We're going to need to over whisk, so we're going to take a little while. So this is the point where it would be normal to stop if you were going to be using this cream to maybe fill profiteroles or the centre of a Victoria sponge cake. We're going to go beyond this and we're going to over whisk so it becomes like a cottage cheese consistency. There we go, so it's looking like cottage cheese. It's become quite lumpy, a little bit sloppy. We are going to continue and go further than this even until the whisk is no longer to whisk, it's become just one lump. There we go, so you can see there are lumps of butter and there is a liquid that we're going to now strain out of the bowl.
This liquid that has separated is the buttermilk.
So tip straight into a sieve with a bowl underneath, and that will remove the liquid from your butter where the fat has separated.
Butter needs to be washed under a cold tap.
And you can mould the butter into shape with your hands. So here we have homemade butter and buttermilk. The buttermilk can be used in recipes such as scones, and the butter can be used to spread on toast, or you can add in herbs and spices or garlic. So you could, for example, make some cheese scones using your buttermilk and then make some garlic butter to spread on top of those scones.